Hi MPPNs. Once again, good morning. How are you? Fine, very good. Okay, so ready to learn? Good. Shall we start? Okay. What we will learn? We will learn maths. What are you going to learn? Maths. Okay. And what is the topic we will learn today? See, what is the topic we are going to learn? We will learn up or down. What is the topic? Up or down. So, ready? I will tell you what is up. What is up? Up means on the top. Okay, in this picture, if a bird is sitting, then it is up. Here in the picture, you can see a butterfly and a bird. Where is the butterfly? It is on the top. It is up. And the bird is down. Okay. The flowers are up, but the grass is down. Clear? Okay. So we will move ahead now. The first question. See the first question. You have to circle the picture which is up, the thing which is up. Up means on the top. Ready? Okay, this is the picture. A table is there. There is a cat and there is a dog. Tell me, cat or dog, which one is up? Which one is on the top? Is it dog? No, then the answer is cat. Very good. Cat is sitting on the table, that is up. Ready? Very good. Good performance. Now the second question. What is the second question? Which is down. You have to circle the down one. Down means bottom. Okay? So the question. Now you can see two children. One is up and other is down. Who is sitting up and who is sitting down? Tell me. Is the boy sitting down? Yeah, girl. Tell me which is down. Who is sitting down? Okay, it is the girl who is sitting down. Very good. So, the third question. Ready? Okay, this is your question. You have to mark, you have to circle the one which is on the top, on up. Okay, so now the question. There are two monkeys. One monkey is on the tree, other monkey is on the ground. Which is up? Do the circle. Where do you draw the circle? Or this monkey sitting on the tree? Yeah, the monkey sitting on the land. Which one is up? Very good. The monkey sitting on the tree is up. Very good. Okay, now the fourth question. What is the fourth question? Which is up. In the fourth question also, you will circle the thing which is on the top. Ready? Okay, see the question. Now you can see two girls. Okay, two girls are there. You have to find the one who is up. Tell me the first girl or the second girl. Who is up? Excellent answer. The second girl is up. Very good. Now the fifth question. What is the question? Which is down. In this question, you will have to circle the down. Okay, let us see the question. What is the question say? A stairs, a man and a ball. What is down? Man or ball? Is it ball who is down? No, then the man is down. Okay. Now you have circled the right one. So ready for the sixth question? Okay. The question is here, which is down. Once more you have to mark, circle the down. Okay, ready? The question is here. Here also steps have been given and there are two balls. Which one is at the down? The first, the second. Which ball is at the down? Very good. The first ball. Well done. Well done, MPPN. Okay, the first ball is down. So you have understood up and down. Good performance. So shall we learn the next topic now? Okay, let us see what is the next topic. The next topic is inside or outside. Inside means within something, within a box, in the house. Okay, that is known as inside. Outside means which is out of that one, of that thing, of the box. Clear now? Okay. So, are you ready for the question? Yes. The first question. What is the first question? Which is inside? You have to mark the thing inside. Inside means within that particular thing. Okay. Let us see the question, the picture. There is a man. There is a lion. And tell me which is inside. Is the man inside or the lion inside? You can see a cage. The lion is inside the cage, right? So, what is your answer? Circle the correct one. Which one is correct? Very good. Lion is the correct one. Lion is in the cage, inside. Okay. Now the second question. What is the second question? Have a look here. What is the question? Which is outside. You have to mark the outside one. Okay. See the picture. What is there inside? What is there inside? Candies. Do you like it? Yes. Sweet, right? Okay, this is what the first picture and second picture. What are these? These are toffees. You like both of them. Now you tell me which is outside. Candies in the tin. Yeah, the toffees in the bowl. Which is outside? Very good. The toffees which are in the bowl, they are outside. The candies are packed within the box. It is inside the box. Okay. Now the next question. What is the next question? You have to mark the inside one. You have to put the circle of the inside one. Now see the pictures. There are two pictures. There is a smiley and a house. In one picture you can see the smiley is along with the house, and the other picture smiley is inside and outside. Yes, in the second picture the smiley is outside. So what is your answer? The first one? Yeah, second one. Which smiley is inside the house? Which smiley? First or second? First. Very good. This is inside the house. Well done. Now, shall we move to the next question? Okay. Next question is here. Read it. Which is outside? This time you will mark the outside one. You have to mark the outside one. Ready? Now see the picture. There are two cylinders and two balls. Which is outside? The first one or the second one? Which is outside? First, yeah, second. Tell me the correct answer. Very good. Second one is outside and the first one is inside. Good. So, next question. What is the question? Which is inside? Circle it. In this question also, you will mark the inside thing. Ready? Okay. Duck in water. Here also ducks in water. But there is a difference. One duck is in the water, the other two ducks are in the pond. So, which is inside? The first one or the second one? Which is the correct answer? Is it first one? No, the correct answer is the second one because the ducks are inside the pond. Ready? Okay, next one. What is the next one? Which is outside. You have to mark the outside picture. What is outside? You have to see the picture. What is the picture? There are two boxes and two stars. Right? Okay. Which one is inside? You tell me. First or second? Good. First one is inside and second one is outside. Well done. A great job. So what is our answer? Where to put the circle? First or second? Wow, what an answer. Second one, you are correct. Second one is outside. So, shall we continue? Now it is a time to wind up. I think you have understood everything, right? Okay, now tell your mama also to give you some more questions of up and down and inside and outside. So you have understood very well now? We have learned two topics today. What were they? Up or down and inside or outside. Understood it very well? Okay, very good. Good students. So, today we have completed our studies. We will meet tomorrow. Till the time, bye. Take care.